This video will discuss the horizontal wind checker. It will be a complete solution video, so if you would like to pause right now and try this method before I show you how to do it, that's what you should do. And you should pause it periodically throughout if you think you have an idea as to what you should do at that point. Alright, so we need to check whether or not there's a horizontal wind, means across, means 3 in a row of whatever the turn is. So if turn is X, just whatever turn is at that point, we check to see if there's a wind at that point. So or with that value. So instead of well, I'll explain it going forward here. So but we still need to set up a loop situation. It's very similar to clear board, where we need to look at each row and then we need to look at each item in that row. So it's going to be a nested loop situation. So we'll set up our int to remember the row index, and we'll say that's equal to 0. We'll say while row is less than board dot length, row plus plus, and then we'll do the same here for int col equals 0, while column, as long as column is less than the length of a row, do column plus plus. And so what do we do here though? Because it is a little different. So what is our job? Our job is to see if there are 3 in a row of any given of like turn, whatever turn is, if it's an X, if it's no, whatever, and across. So we need to have some sort of counter variable. So I'm going to say like int count equals 0, and actually I want to put this inside. No, I want to put it there, and then at each row I need to reset the value of count. So count equals 0, so that if we go down to the second row, it'll reset the value of count. And then in here, we need to say if the board at row column dot equals turn, then and only then do we want to increment count. And at the end, after our loop completes, we do a final check if count, right here, we want to do it after each row. We want to do it if count equals 3, then there is a win equals true. Because we have found a row in which there are 3 of the same things. So this is how you do the horizontal wind checker, and I hope that you pause the video periodically to try and complete the method whenever you thought you were able. Now you need to take this knowledge and complete the vertical wind checker and then the diagonal wind checker, which is a little bit different but fairly similar. Each of those is a little bit different but pretty similar. Alright, and that's it.